When the azan calls us to pray, we get ready the proper way. Wudu, wudu, come let's start. It cleans the body, it cleans the heart. Bismillah.
Wash the hands, 1, 2, 3. Mouth and nose so carefully. Wash the face and feel refreshed. Arms to elbows,
Right then left. Wipe the head and ears just once. Feet to the ankles, now it's done. Wash each part 3 times in a row. But the head and ears just once, you know. Wudu, wudu with every part. It cleans the body, it cleans the heart. Wudu, wudu with every part. It cleans the body, it cleans the heart. And remember,
save the water.
use a little.
Steps in order.
Easy and simple.
Take your time, keep it slow.
Give each part a proper flow.
Wudu,
Wudu with every part. It cleans the body, it cleans the heart. Wudu, wudu with every part. It cleans the body, it cleans the heart.
it cleans the body, it cleans the heart.
First, I start with Bismillah. Wash the hands 3 times. Don't forget between the fingers. Rinse the mouth well 3 times to get rid of food scraps. Clean the nose 3 times. Use your left hand for that. Wash the face 3 times. Make sure the water reaches the entire face. Wash the arms 3 times. Let the water reach the elbows. Wipe the head once, front to back, then back to front. Wipe the ears once. It's enough to use your fingers for this. Wash the feet 3 times. Let the water reach the ankles. And don't forget to wash between the toes. Finally, say the Shahada. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.